Hello, I'm Jeff Cuthbert, Police and Crime Commissioner for Gwent. I represent the people of Gwent to ensure that the service provided by the police is efficient and effective. I'm responsible for holding the Chief Constable to account for the delivery of local policing, and I've written the Gwent Police and Crime Plan, which sets out my priorities following consultation with the citizens of Gwent. I set the force budget and decide the precept level to make sure that Gwent Police have enough money to do their job. We want to protect the most vulnerable in our communities and reassure people that they are safe in their communities and that they continue to live within one of the safest areas in the whole of the UK. Now, engagement with the public is really important to me. It's vital that I hear what's important to you. I work with my communications and engagement team to engage with the public, and in normal circumstances, we would be visiting events, town centres and open days, but during lockdown, there has been a greater demand for engaging digitally via our social media channels, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. We also have an email bulletin that we send to residents every week. Now, I look forward to returning to meeting communities in person when life after lockdown resumes. In the meantime, make sure that you stay safe, that you save lives and that you protect the NHS. Thank you.